Welcome to Jaguar Land Rover. My name is Jordan Rothrock. Today we're going to look at this 2018 Mazda CX-5. It's a great value vehicle. It only has 35,500 miles. It does have keyless entry as well as some awesome looking rims to go with the red. And it is all-wheel drive, which is great. It has plenty of storage room out back, which is always a plus in an SUV. And then the second row does have sufficient seating for any kids, family, or friends. Up front, there is plenty of room and comfortable, as well as an updated interior. I want to thank you for taking a chance to watch this video. If you are interested in this vehicle or any other one that we have on the lot, please feel free to give us a call or come in and ask for me. My name is Jordan. I hope you all have a wonderful day.